In today's video, we'll show you how to use Discord avatar decorations without Nitro. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to this website, discord-decorations.vercel.app. This website, as it says here, allows you to create profile pictures with avatar decorations so you can use them in Discord without spending any money. Now, what you want to do first is you want to upload the image that you want to use for your Discord account. Once you've done that, you want to go over and pick any of the available avatar decorations, and there are loads of them. So you could choose any one of these, and after you've done that, you want to click on Save Image. And as you can see, it will create the image that you can either save or extract still image. Now, if you click Save, you will need to have a Nitro subscription to be able to do that. So what you want to do is you want to extract still image if you do not have Nitro. And then you want to extract frames. Then you will have access to all the different frames of this image, and you just simply need to pick one that you like, and then it'll be saved. And then after, you can head over to Discord, and then you can change your avatar and input the new one with your decoration. So, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.